After the Schalke Magdeburg game, Schalke fans were heading back home on the train from Magdeburg, and some of the ultras were alerted that not only the Dortmund but also Cologne, obviously they have a bond, right, a friendship. The ultras were waiting for Schalke fans at their station near somewhere outside of Dortmund. So they got the tip. A bunch of people left the train. They hit the emergency brake, left the train. After about 45 minutes or so, the train got back going. Got into the station where the hooligans were waiting. Emergency brake again, and the rest of them got out. They all tried to meet up and try to get a big fight going on. Cops were on tip to it, and they broke it up. Arrested about 100 people from Dortmund and Cologne, and then they escorted the Schalke fans back to the train, and they escorted the train back on the way back home. Not the first time Dortmund and Cologne got together and did something like this, but yeah,